All right, back with a short update on the TRX450 that had the broken case. Here is it repaired. I mean, if you saw the last video, you can see that this was completely gone. I mean, they busted it clear out. So anyway, I built it back up, cleaned it off. It's not quite done yet, but it's getting close. And then I had to rebuild this peg right here so I can hook the case saver up to it, and then had to fix this peg right there too. So anyway, it's coming along. Got the clutch actuator arm in there. I got to clean up the back side of it yet. It's just still dirty, but anyway, I got to clean up that inside of there. So anyway, just a short little update. I guess he decided he wanted to fix it. Should have just parted the thing out. These things aren't worth anything considering it's a 2-year only model and most of the parts are discontinued. So what do? Anyway, you order parts for it and fix it. So anyway, I figured that's just a short update. So there you go.